Alright guys, here's a 7x14 PJ Trailers dump trailer. Got a 14,000 pound G.V.W.R tandem Dexter E Z lube brake axles. Has a 7,000 pound drop leg jack. This is a adjustable 2 5/16 inch Bulldog coupler. Here on the front you have a lockable toolbox which houses your hydraulic equipment. Has a hydraulic scissor lift, slide in ramps, Treadplate steel fenders. The tape on this model is DOT reflective. Has 16-inch white spoke wheels and 16-inch radial tires. Also has stake pockets. The bed and sides of this trailer are 10-gauge steel. Has 4 welded on D-ring tie downs. This also has a front tarp kit. Has a 40-degree dump pitch. There's a two-way gate here on the back. Also comes with a spare tire mount. The sides on this trailer are 24 inches high. This model has been sandblasted, acid washed, and powder coated. Has a 110 volt trickle charger. Also has a Interstate deep cycle battery. Give us a call, 863-66-RIGHT, or visit us anytime at righttrailers.com.